Hi, Dave here again, and in this video I'm going to show you how simple it is to use SOTAM. SOTAM is state-of-the-art mailer, and that's what you can see just here. Very easy to use it, and all you really need to do once you've logged in is that you can either click to claim credits on your ads, and when you do that you click here to claim credits for viewing the ad, which will open up a different window. When it opens up that window, it's obviously credits have already been claimed for that advert, so I don't need to use that one at all. But you can claim credits for the ads, or the best way of doing it is to make referrals to it. And when you make referrals to State of the Art, then you will simply be paid a commission for doing just that. And it means that you can then email out to thousands of people at any one time. The review on davehayes.co, which is a review of this, will tell you exactly the benefits that you can get from using state-of-the-art mailer. Hope that video has been of use for you, and I look forward to showing you the next how-to video. My name's Dave Hayes.